In today's video, I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly simple method that you can set up in literally just 10 minutes that I used to make over $160 just today. But considering it's only 8:30 in the morning, I guess I'm having a pretty good day. What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide how you can set up a method that will be making you a couple $100 every single day. Now, you can do this literally in a couple of minutes with absolutely zero investment, and it's so simple to set up that literally a 5th grader can do this if you follow this entire video through, so you'll get to know all the steps necessary. Because actually today I'm going to show you how to set up a attention magnet. If you want a lot of sales in affiliate marketing, you need a lot of attention, and I'm going to show you how to create a literal attention magnet that's so strong that you will have zero problems to get traffic to your affiliate link. So if you're looking for this, please do let me know down in the comments. Type in I'm looking forward to this, and while you're there, just make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to hit the notification bell so every time I upload a cool money making method, you'll get that dingy thing on your phone and you get to watch it right away and make the most amount of money. So to begin this method, I was able to make $160 just today. Yesterday it was $200, and today I will not be sharing the exact offer that I used of Warrior Plus because I want to keep riding that train for a little bit longer, but it really doesn't matter because I'm going to give you an alternative of ClickBank. But for this method, you can use any other affiliate marketplace that you want. This video is not about exact offer, it's more about method you use to promote it and to get traffic to your affiliate link. So just go ahead and go to ClickBank, and if you're new here, just sign up for your free account. Otherwise, just go straight into it. Then go straight to the affiliate marketplace into the self-help section, and you want to select dating guides right here on the left. And now just go ahead and rank them by gravity because you want something high converting. You want a high converting offer because you'll get so much traffic to this link that you need something that's high converting so you can make the most amount of money. So just filter by gravity, and you can see these top 2 offers will work the best, but I don't recommend going for this one because obviously make men obsess over you. This is targeted to women. We want something that's targeted to men. So for that reason, go for example with this one, the obsession method, huge new men's dating offer. Just go ahead and open the sales page, and you want a product that has a good sales page because we are going to be driving tons of traffic to this page, and you want something that's able to convert them into paying customers. And if you check this out, this looks like a decent sales page. So just go ahead and get your affiliate link for this offer. Just click on promote, then you need to fill in your ClickBank nickname, and now just go ahead and generate the hop link. What you want to do next is just copy the hop link, and now we want to shorten it into something more pleasing to the eye. Now for that, you can use any link shortener that you want, but I highly recommend you go with Bitly because once you're going to go to Bitly, you can sign up using your Google account, and it's going to store all the links that you shortened in this very nice library right here, so you can keep them in one place, not scattered all over your computer. So just go ahead and click on create new link, and what you want to do here is paste the affiliate link from ClickBank right here, and just go ahead and pick a name for it. I'm going with the obsession method attraction magnet because that's the theme of this video. So just go ahead and create your shortened link, and once you have your shortened affiliate link, I'm going to show you now how to drive so much traffic to this link that is barely going to be able to handle all the clicks. So to set up this literal attraction magnet, go to Google and look for dating advice forum. Now search for dating advice forums, and you want to choose any of these that look like a decent forum with a lot of people visiting. For example, let's go with this one, and you can see already this is a active forum regarding dating and relationship advice because you can see there's multiple threads here with 89 visits, 87 visits, 304 visits, 577 visits on January 5th, 8 hours ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, 3 minutes ago. So this is a active forum. You want to pick a forum that has active users that are going to be reading the posts on this forum, because actually what we want to do is just go ahead and sign up for this forum or any other forum that you may have picked. So just go ahead and click on sign up right here, and we are going to set up an account in a very special way. So just make sure you follow step by step what I'm going to do now because this is the important part of the entire method. So just go ahead and sign up. For example, I have to start with a date and birthday. I'm going to make something up. Let's go with 92 for example, something like that. Go to continue, and now the important part, you need to fill in display name, email address, password, gender, and all that stuff. Don't pick just any random stuff in there. Okay, what you want to do is go to Google and search for name generator. Now hit search, and you want to pick a name generator. For example, let's go with this one. I like to use this one for multiple projects because you can generate the name based on theme. But for today's method, just go ahead and select character name, and what you want to do is look for like 15 results of female names. This is important. You want female names, not any other. Then just go ahead and fill in a couple of these fields. For example, title is going to be Miss. What type of character she is? Great leader. Any birth year? Suggest. 1994 should be okay. Now just go ahead and scroll all the way down here, and you want to click on write me some character names. Now it's going to generate a couple of female names, and you want to pick one that sticks with you the most. You will be using this as a character name on the forum, so just go ahead and select one that you like the most. For example, I'll go with this one, Lauren Bruce. Just go ahead and copy that, go back to the forum, paste it into the display name. Now just go down here to gender and select female, and you want to fill in all these other fields as well. For this this, I highly recommend you use an email address that you are willing to receive spam on. Don't use your mail email address for this, okay? Just go ahead and create a brand new Gmail account or something and put that into there, and also fill in all these fields right here. Once you do that, just go ahead and create your account. Once you're inside your account, you want to customize the profile of it as well. Just go ahead to the profile and select edit profile right here. And the important part here is use a female photo for your profile picture. But even if you have some, you may not want to use your own photos for this, and if you don't have any, you can just go ahead and snag any picture you want. Now I'm going to show you a legitimate way how to acquire a photo that you can use in this profile that's completely copyright free. Nobody's coming after you if you use it, and you can get it simply by push of a button. So just go to Google once more and search for thispersondoesnotexist.com. Just go to the website, and as you can see, this is a AI website that uses AI to generate photos of people that do not exist. So just by clicking the refresh button on this website, you can get photos of people that never existed. For example, let's go with this one for this method. Just click on it, save it to your computer, and if you're wondering if these photos are free to use, if you go to Google and search for if this is a copyright free method to get photos, go to Quora and you can see this answer right here that the person actually emailed the company behind this website, and they've got this response: you are free to use it. Works by an AI are actually not copyrightable. So just go ahead and download a photo from the website, then go back to the forum and select it as your profile photo. Just click on choose a single file, then just upload a photo to the forum and click on continue, and just like that you have selected this as your profile photo. So by now you may have caught up about how this method is going to work. We are going to select a female name with a female photo that's completely copyright free, by the way. This person does not exist as the website says, and we have created a female profile on a dating advice forum. What you want to do next is just go to the homepage of the forum and click on create a content. We are going to create a blog post right here in the dating section. Just go ahead and select that, and for example let's select this one. Okay, now continue, and now you need a title for this post and actual text of the post itself. Now to do this for title, just go ahead and type in something like this, and as for the body of the email, we are going to utilize the hottest trend right now, and that's ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT and type in a request for a blog post of around 150 words about how to be more confident in relationships. Just hit enter and let it generate the article for you, and once the article is generated, just make sure to thank the AI and go ahead and copy this entire post without the headline. Just copy it and go back to the forum, paste it into the body. Now we want to add a couple of spaces after the last line, and you want to write something like this: I could write an entire book about how to improve your confidence. There are so many ways to go about this. You may want to read this if you are serious about improving your confidence in any relationship. Now just go ahead and select this capital word right here, and what you want to do is go up here into the link section and select this link, and now you need to paste your affiliate link right here so you will start making money with this. So just hop back to Bitly or wherever you left your affiliate link, just copy it, go back to the forum, paste your affiliate link into the field, click on insert into this post, and just like this word will become a clickable button with the affiliate link that you have just created, and submit this topic to the forum just like this. You can see the post is right here. Now it will get some time for a post like this to get any traction at all, but these forums are literally read by hundreds of people that are looking actually to improve themselves. So give it a day or two and you will start seeing a lot of traffic coming to your affiliate link. Now actually to scale this up, go ahead and copy this entire post, then go back to Google, search for any more relationship advice forums, actually go ahead and register on multiple of these forums using this same profile with the same profile photo and name, so you will start building some credibility for the profile. And once people start reading this post, they're going to click this button right here. They will be taken to this sales page that's going to be doing all the selling for you, and all you have to do is just set this up and wait for all the money to come in. That's how you too can start making a couple of $100 every single day on complete autopilot without actually having to do anything but setting this method up. So just go ahead, put this method to work, and when you make some money with it, return to this video and please do let me know down in the comments how much money you have made using this, because I actually really want to know if these methods work for you just as well as they do for me. And if you enjoyed this method, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to try yet another cool money making method, check out this one, and I'm going to see you in the next video.